Hello, Standard 5. We have finished Chapter 3 Evolution of Transport System. And today we are going to discuss the exercises and have a quick recap of the lesson. Let us recall the main points that we have learnt in this lesson. Wheel and steam engine are the two most important inventions in the field of transport. We saw that invention of steam engine brought great changes in both railways and waterways. Land transport is of two kinds, roadways and railways. Railways are the most popular means of transport in India. It is cheap, it is safe, and it is also very comfortable. Railways carry both goods and passengers quite quickly. India has the largest network of railways in Asia. Waterways are cheaper than other modes of transport. It is slow, but it is very useful in carrying heavy loads and cargo. It is used for carrying oil from one country to another. The North Atlantic route is the busiest sea route in the world. We learnt about three major sea routes, and of the three, the North Atlantic route, as we learnt, is the busiest sea route in the world. And the other two, do you remember? Other two are the Suez Canal route and the Panama Canal route. Now, there were some new words we came across, and we'll learn them too. The first word is voyage. We read about the Portuguese explorers or sailors who had started traveling around the world to far off places, and such a long journey, especially by sea, that is called voyage. And do you remember the names of three famous explorers? They are Vasco da Gama, Columbus, and Magellan. Curiosity. Curiosity is a strong desire to know about something. Tunnel. Tunnel is a passage built underground, and we had learnt about the tunnel built below or under the English Channel. This tunnel is used to connect France and England. Do you remember? Then we had learnt about cargo. Cargo are the goods carried in a ship or a plane. Transcontinental. Transcontinental means beyond a continent. And this we had learnt while we were learning about railways. We have some transcontinental rail lines, and Trans-Siberian is one of those. Now we'll come to think and answer. Tick the right answer. Number 1. Who invented the aeroplane? The Wright brothers is the correct answer. Number A. The Suez Canal joins the Red Sea with the Mediterranean Sea. Number B. The Panama Canal joins the Atlantic Ocean with Pacific Ocean. Number B. Railway was introduced in India by the English, and the first train ran between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. Do you remember? Now match the following. Number 1. Trans-Siberian Railway. Longest railway line in the world. Suez Canal. Built in 1869. Heathrow Airport, London. Panama Canal, built in 1914. Now these two sea routes, the Suez Canal route and the Panama Canal route, have reduced the distance and the time taken in traveling by almost 50%. So it has made water transportation very convenient now. Now we move to fill in the blanks. The first train in India ran from Bombay to Thane. Bombay is now called Mumbai, and this was in 1853, and it was run by the Britishers. The British had brought railways to India. Roads connecting major cities are called highways or freeways, and they are very important major roads. They are broad and straight, have multi lanes, and it is divided into two parts. Each part is moving in opposite direction, and they have two or more lanes in which vehicles can move at different speed, and hence these roads are very important, and they are safer too, and vehicles can move at great speed nowadays. The first steam engine was made by Thomas Newcomen, but this is not very popular. The more popular one is the one made by James Watt, and which was used to pull railway trains. It was used in steam engine was used to run railway trains. Which one did we use? We used the one invented by James Watt, but the first steam engine was made by Thomas Newcomen. The Suez Canal was opened in 1869, and the busiest sea route in the world is the North Atlantic route. We had seen where North Atlantic Ocean is located, and we had also seen the location of West Europe and North America, which are the two parts connected via this route, and this is the busiest route in the world. We have to write true or false. We will not write T or F, but we will write true or false. And are you all using a pencil to write in the book? It is very important that we use a pencil so that we keep our books neat. If we use a pen, we will not be able to rub it, erase if we make a mistake. So let us use a pencil when we are writing in the book. Number 1. America was discovered by Columbus in 1492. That is true. The Channel Tunnel links France with United Kingdom. That is also true. Trains are the most popular means of public transport in India. That is also true. The first train was run between Bombay and Delhi in 1753. This statement is false, and we are going to correct the statement too. So let us correct Delhi to it will become Thane, and 1753 will become 1853. So the correct statement will be the first train ran between Bombay and Thane in 1853. Now we move to the last statement. The London airport is known as Churchill Airport. That is again incorrect. So we'll write there false, and we'll correct the statement. London airport is known as Heathrow Airport. So we'll correct it. So have you all finished? So let us move to the next slide. Here I have put some activity that is given in your book, and you will do these 3 in your rough copy. You will not do it in your social science copy, social studies copy, but you will do it in your rough copy. And these activities you can even do at ease in the summer vacation. So after 16th you won't be getting videos because the school will be breaking for summer vacation. So then you can at ease sit and do these activities. You can read old books, and if you find pictures, you can cut them and stick in your scrapbook, or you can use any of your old notebooks as your scrapbook. You can even stick them in your old drawing book or in a chart paper if you have one. So number one, find pictures of a steam engine, a diesel engine, and an electric engine. Paste these in your scrapbook. And if you have no old if you don't have old books, or if you find it difficult to find pictures, you may even draw pictures. I remember I have given the picture of a steam engine and an electric engine in the slide. You can find the picture of a diesel engine from the internet, and you can see and draw also. You can draw neatly and color it. Number two, make a list of 8 important international airports with the names of the countries to which they belong. This one you can make as a table, and you can write the names of the important international airports, and in front you can write the names of the countries to which they belong. Or if it is cities, you can write the name of the city also. Write down the name of the important cities which are touched by the Grand Trunk Road. You have learned that Grand Trunk Road is a major highway. So what you are going to do, and I had also told you that our city Dhanbad is touched by the Grand Trunk Road, and when we go to Kolkata, we go via this road. So some of the places you must be knowing. When we go to Kolkata, we touch Asansol, we touch Durgapur, we touch Bardhaman. So similarly, if we go to Delhi, we will be crossing which towns or which places, you have to find out. So write down the names of all the important cities which are touched by the Grand Trunk Road, and Dhanbad will be one of them. So this is your task for this week, and the activity part you may even carry out during your summer vacation. It can be your holiday homework too. So you need not worry. You read the lessons nicely, you find the answers, revise the answers, and check all your exercises that you have done in the book. You can refer to the video and check your answers. So happy learning, be safe, and keep learning.